Jackie M here, and I want to just quickly show you some of the functionalities of the Lenovo Smart Display that was sent out to me for a review. You'll find a full review at my website jackiem.com.au, but this is just a quick video to show you some of the commands I can use it for, right? Hey Google, good morning.
Hi, Jackie. It is 2:06 p.m. Right now in Kogarah it's 19 degrees and partly cloudy. Today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 20 and a low of 15. Your commute to work is currently 38 minutes with light traffic if you take Bexley Road by car.
Hey Google, stop playing. Hey Google, play me videos from my YouTube channel, Jackie M.
Sure, here's my YouTube channel, Jackie M Videos on YouTube.
Most popular and well-loved breakfast dishes, something called roti canai. That's a flaky flatbread that's served with. Hey Google, stop playing. Hey Google, what's the time in New York at the moment?
The time in New York, USA is 12:08 a.m.
Hey Google, show me some recipes for the perfect scrambled eggs.
Here are some recipes I found.
Hey Google, start cooking.
There are 14 steps. I'll read them one by one. When you're ready to hear more, you can say, next step. First step, place an 8-inch non-stick pan on the stove and turn up the heat to medium high.
Hey Google, next step.
Second step, add the cornstarch and milk into a bowl or jug.
Hey Google, stop cooking.
Got it, done.
I can also tell it to play music, specific songs, or I can tell it to play music from a particular genre, and also I can get it to control all the smart devices I have in my place. I don't actually have any. And also, finally, I can get it to make phone calls, all right, video calls. You just need to have the person that you're calling needs to have Google Duo installed on their phone, and you will do a video call either in landscape or in portrait mode, and you'll be able to talk to that person face to face. The other thing I noticed is that it's got very good range. So if sometimes when I'm talking in my far room and saying, hey Google, to my phone, say for instance, I want to ask my phone a question or something like that, it actually answers it over here because it thinks I'm talking to it, and it's got loudspeakers as well. One thing I noticed as well is that even when it's playing audio and I issue a command, it can hear me over the music or the whatever else it is playing. Okay, there you go.